Hello everyone, in this video we can learn how to factor this polynomial completely. Alright, s to the 4 plus 20, 25s squared plus 20, 24s plus 20, 25. Alright, so 20, 25s squared can be written as 20, 24s squared plus s squared, right? And then 20, 25 can be written as 20, 24 plus 1, right? Now I'm going to combine this guy, and this guy together, right? So it turns out to be s to the 4 plus s squared plus 1. This is one group, right? Now another group is this guy right here plus 20, 24 s squared plus this guy right here 20, 24 s plus this guy right here 20, 24, right? Alright, so this guy can be written as s to the 4 plus 2s squared plus 1 minus s squared, right? Because s squared can be written as 2s squared minus s squared, right? Now, for this one right here, I just factor 20, 24 out, right? So this turns out to be s squared plus s plus 1, right? Now, the first 3 right here, it's going to be a complete square. So it could be s squared plus 1 all together square minus s squared, right? Plus 20, 24 times s squared plus s plus 1, right? And then this guy is the difference of 2 squared, right? So I can apply the formula of difference of 2 squared, right? It's going to be a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b, right? So this guy turns out to be s squared plus 1 plus s, right? Times s squared plus 1 minus s, right? Plus 20, 24 times s squared plus s plus 1, right? Now s squared plus 1 plus s, I can rewrite this one as s plus 1, right? Alright, so I have the same common factor right here, this guy and this guy right here. I factor this guy out one more time, so it could be s squared plus s plus 1, right? And then this guy turns out to be s squared minus s plus 1 plus what? 20, 24, right? Now 1 plus 20, 24, which means 20, 25, right? So I just eliminate 1 right here, right? And this is the final answer. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.